In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need to hit this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your first password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter your username over here, password, and take some notes. At the top, if you didn't select any website, you can click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!